Chef Young better than everything we're bad, and we madder than everything we're mad. The Exodus represent for Chef Young straight. You know the badness. Boom. You know.
Hey, I'm here to say, Chef Young Media.
Chef Young Media.
Them all can represent for Chef Young. If you now watch Chef Young thing, you now watch nothing hear that. Them all can say that. Oh no.
Yeah, this is the Usual Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media, keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual messengers. Alright. Chef Young, we born poor but we not dead poor. They are Toronto with 3 bad. Me say me there. Whoa. You know this time I'm drunk right now. Chef Young, big up yourself, you know.
Chef Young, you know badness going on, man. The maddest and the sickest, you know. London.
Yeah, Jerkfest! Drop the light! Bristums! Nikki, listen to the people then. Now listen. Come on, sing out. Come on, what vibes. This thing is Jerkfest. That is it. 2024. That is it. Toronto, how you feeling? Toronto, how are you feeling? That's what I'm talking about. The flavor is in the air. Yeah. Because Jerkfest. Yeah. It's right here. Right here. Right, that's so. And Marvon falls here. Yeah, I do. It falls here. I do. Sorry. All right. It's trending. It's what's trending. It's trending. Is that year brought to you by Kiss Me Baby? Kiss Me, yeah. Okay. All right. You know we need leaders in everything, right? That's right. And we have leaders where we can go to and talk to one-on-one. That's right. And if you listen to what's going on in the 6, she's about the people. Right. She cares about what's going on in our city. That is it. And guess what? She's here. She's here. Toronto, TD, Jerkfest 2024. Make some noise and give it up for our very own Mayor, Miss Olivia Chow. Give it up for Miss Chow.
Hey, welcome to the world biggest Jerkfest outside Jamaica. Oh, you can do better than that. Let's hear it for the Jerkfest. Let's make some noise. Okay, how many of you were jumping up and playing mass last weekend? Yeah, here we are again. Oh, hey, Councilor Michael Thompson is here.
Yeah, give it up for Mr. Thompson. Here you go, Councilor.
Yeah, isn't that amazing? It is also North America's longest running Jerkfest, huh?
Indeed.
Yeah, so New York, Florida, back off. We are the best. Toronto is always the best, right? So, let me tell you, I was looking at jerk, kangaroo, jerk, chicken, jerk. What's your favorite? I love oxtail the most. What's your favorite?
I love oxtail, but jerk chicken's got to top it for me.
Jerk chicken! What do you think? Everybody like jerk chicken the most?
Anything jerk is fantastic.
Anything jerk's fantastic, man. I see long lineups. Listen, today, me as your mayor in Toronto, we just announced, it's hard to find a job these days, especially if you're young, right? We just announced the city of Toronto is hiring 5,000 parks and recreation workers. So apply.
Amazing.
We want to create jobs for young people. We want them to have fun in community centers or lots of programs after school. And then for their mom and dad, we want to create lots and lots of affordable housing because it's way too expensive to rent. So we want to build more housing faster.
Over 265,000 units.
That's right, that's what our plan is. Now, this festival, 23 years, are being put together by Anthony Plummer, the Executive Director of the Caribbean Arts and Culture. Let's give the founder and the organizer a big round of applause for this.
Anthony Plummer!
Anthony, I know you're back over there.
Busy
fantastic
working
and
hard,
busy
Mayor.
working hard. But because it's a non-profit, there's one thing I'm asking you to do, is to think about folks that would love to have some jerk chicken and might not be able to. We want everybody to have a square meal. And this actually, all the funds that we might be making, not all, is going to go to an organization called African Food Basket. They feed Black Canadians food and nutritious food families every month. So,
Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the work that's been done to feed everybody. It's important that people eat.
absolutely. So while you're having a grand time, think about donating, because Anthony said make sure you mention that, okay? So, here we are. We have the artists coming up. I'm excited, so I'm going to get off the stage.
Let's get off and let the entertainment begin. Hand the microphone to you guys. Have a great, safe time,
Don't
everybody.
leave. Counselor, don't leave. Mayor, don't leave. You know it's a TD Jerkfest, it's a dance song now.
It's a dance song now.
And you guys have been
Are
supporting
you ready with
us.
your steps?
Last year you guys went viral with a dance called Chow.
Yeah.
Right? You remember?
Chow.
Clear, one on.
What one right now?
We
ready.
are going to dance and have fun. You ready? Alright. Hey, 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 hey. Ready? That's what we're talking about.
Everything.
Give it up every time, bro.
I
Every
think-
time, bro.
Thank you so much, Anthony. Thank you so much, Counselor. She did better than me.
I was just about to
She
say
did it better than me.
the mayor lead everything.
Yeah, man. I'm a cheerleader.
Shout out to Chef Young. He's here getting his Heineken at Jerkfest. We're here about to see all the artists. So
I say hi to the camera.
alright, peace out guys.
Alright, so we're at the house of Jerk. As you can see what I'm going to say, see the line? See the line? Yeah? Good food. What's what I'm going to say? Watch out. Festival and jerk chicken. Special sauce and thing. Oxtail. Pork. Rice and base. It's a ripe plant and thing, you understand? See that? Look nice. Also jerk. See big chef here, you know? Tell them what I'm going to do.
Outside jerk.
Also jerk, top chef.
Jerkfest.
You see me?
Mad. See it.
2024.
2024, you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man.
Yes, sir,
How much
yeah.
you going on PS3 now? Watch out.
I mean, man, put them on. What you been there?
I put it right?
Yeah, man, I put them on. Potato put.
Hold on there. Look how I go on yourself. So I put it look nice. Watch out. See it?
Yeah, man. Potato put.
You see it?
Yeah, man.
Big top chef them.
Now go there, Krista. Shout out to first class.